Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video, tutuloy natin yung ating series on how to solve age problems. No? And in this video ay magsusolve tayo ng another problem. So basahin natin. Alan is 5 times as old as Leia. 5 years from now, he will be 3 times as old. How old is Alan? So katulad dun sa videos natin, yung number 2 and number 3, ang meron tayong dalawang points in time. Yun yung it's either present or future o kaya present and past. So ito present and future ulit. No? So now, meron tayong now or present. So mas okay na now. Usually mas gusto kong ginagamit yung now. And then meron tayong 5 years from now. No? So yun ating mga points in time. No? 5 years from now. No? And of course, dito sa first column natin, nandito si Leia at si Alan. Okay? So, tingnan muna natin yung problem, no? So, Alan is 5 times as old as Leia. So, ito ba ay future o present? 5 times as old as Leia. Ito ay present, kasi wala siyang sinabing, sa sentence na ito, wala siyang sinasabing future, no? Sa second sentence, ito yung future. No? 5 years from now, he will be 3 times as old. How about yung pangatlong sentence, yung pinaka-question natin? How old is Alan? No? So this is also present, di ba? Kasi wala naman siya sinabing how old is Alan 5 years from now. Okay, so present, future, present. Okay, so tignan mo natin yung unang sentence. Alan is 5 times as old as Leia. So 5 times, no? Mas matanda si Alan. So halimbawa, 8 years old si 8 years old si Leia, no? Ilan si Alan, no? 8 times 5, di ba? This will be the age of Alan, which is equal to 40. Alan, no? So, sorry. Ito yung age ni Alan, bale. Ibig sabihin, no? Pag x yung age ni Leia, no? Whatever the value of x, no? Kumari 8, 5 times nung yung age ni Alan is 5 times nung value nito. So 5 times x or simple 5x, no? And then, of course, in 5 years, ano mangyari sa age nilang dalawa? Mag-i-increase, di ba? Ng ilang taon. Mag-i-increase siya ng 5. No? 5 years. Siyempre, madadagdagan yung edad niya ng 5 years. And of course, kung madadagdagan si Leia, siyempre tatanda rin naman si Alan. And whatever the addition here, yung 5 years, dapat mag-add din yung age ni Alan ng 5. Okay? So, 5x plus 5. Okay, so nasatisfy na natin itong una, tsaka yung 5 years from now. Dito tayo sa pangatlo. He will be 3 times as old. Kailan siya magiging 3 times as old? Dito, sa future, no? Kasi same sentence ito. So, 3 times as old. Ibig sabihin, kung si Leia, kunwari, naging 13 na siya, ng time na yun, wag na natin muna isipin to, Kung naging 13 si Leia, ilan taon si Alan? 39, no? Now, pwede akong gumawa ng equation dito, no? Pwede ko silang gawing equal. Paano ko gagawin? Since 3 times ang age ni Alan, is either I divide this by 3 or I multiply this by 3, di ba? Mas madali mag-multiply, no? So, pag minultiply ko ito ng 3, ibig sabihin pareho na sila ng edad, maging 39 na ito. Which means na pag minultiply ko ng 3 yung edad ni Leia, magiging equal na siya dun sa edad ni Alan, no? So, meaning, 3 times age, 3 times the age of Leia equal sila na, the age of Alan. Alan. So, 3 times the age of Leia, para natin kukunin sa, sa expression. Magiging 3 times the age of Leia. Remember, sa future tayo, is equal to the age of Alan. So, this is the age of Alan. Okay? So, with distributive property, meron na tayong equation, madali na lang, isolve na lang natin yung x. Using distributive property, 3x, 3 times x is 3x, and then 3 times 5 is 15, no? Equals 5x plus 5, no? Gusto kong tanggalin yung 3x dito. So, magma-minus ako ng 3x dito, di ba? Minus 3x. So, ano nang matitira? 15 equals 2x. Magiging 2x na ito, plus 5. No? And then, gusto ko rin mag-minus ng 5 on both sides para matanggal to. Para x na lang yung nantira sa kanan. So, magma-minus 5 ako dito, magma-minus 5 ako dito. What happens? Magiging 10 equals 2x. And then, para matanggal yun to, magdi-divide ako ng 2 on both sides. So, magiging 5 equals x. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Saan ba yung x natin? Ito, di ba? So, ibig sabihin si Leia ay 5 years old. At si Alan ay 5 times 5. 5x. 5, whatever the age of Leia, 5 times. So, 5 times 5 is 25. What happens is, syempre, sa future, mag-add rin yung ages nila, no? So, si Leia magiging, magiging 10 na siya. And si Alan magiging 30. Okay? So, pwede natin i-check using the problem, no? Sa present, Alan is 5 times as old as Leia. Tama ba? 5 times ba? Okay, tama. 25 is 5 times 5. 5 years from now, in 5 years ba tayo? 10, 30. Plus tayo ng 5, nag-plus tayo ng 5. So, nasatisfy natin ito, no? He will be 3 times as old. 3 times ba si Alan na mas matanda kay Leia here? Okay, 3 times kasi 30 is 3 times 10. So, therefore, satisfy natin yung tatlong sentences. Ang pinaka-last question natin is, how old is Alan? Huwag tayo malito kailangan, ang tinatanong natin pala dito is, how old is Alan now? So, ang pinaka-edad ni Alan ngayon ay 25. So, the answer to this problem is 25. Okay? So, maraming salamat and I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. See you in the next tutorial.